Hi beautiful fam, welcome back to my page. So guys, we're going to be tying these edge wrap styles. Like I have three in this video that you're going to be watching, and guess what, I'm using my, it's not my own trouser, it's for my husband. I just pick it up. He said before I even pick it, it was like, can you use my trouser to make gele? This one that you're making gele every day. I say, bring it, let me try something, girl. I just held the trousers, and guess what? I was able to achieve like 2 or 3 styles with this Ankara edge wrap, which I'll be showing you in this video. Okay, before we proceed, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave your comment below. Will you try this? Do you like it? Is it what you can go for? You can even use your own trouser to make this. So guys, I just pick the trouser and place it on my head, like the band. It has elastic band for the, I don't know, so you place it on your head like that, and the leg remain at the back. I pick the first one and use it to make this puff, pick the excess and dip it at the back. Guys, just focus your eyes and watch what I'm doing on this video. My explanation might not be good, might not be thorough enough, might not be, I don't know. Just focus and watch what I'm doing. You see the other one too, I just raise it up, use it to match that one and give me that high shape. So I'll take the excess to the back as well. After arranging, I'm pinning that middle part up and arranging it well. I'll take the excess to the back where I'll be securing it as well. And here's the back of this first style, guys. I have 2 other ones to show you guys before I leave this video for you to watch. I'll show you another 2 more styles. This is the first one, guys. Are you going to try this one? So let's quickly go see what I have for the second style. Yeah, here's the second style. I just loosen that one up, and here is it. I just cross it at the back, both legs. I cross it at the back and I started making twists with the both side. I make twists for the first side and the other side. So you take it forward like this as seen in this video, and see what we're going to do. You're just going to knot it. After knotting the shorter part, you're going to take it round, like take it round. Guys, watch what I'm doing in short. Guys, as you are watching, if you haven't followed my page, kindly hit the follow button and follow for more head wrap tutorials. Don't forget to share my video. Let it reach more people who want to learn simple head wrap that you can do by yourself with less. Voila. Yes, let me put that way. And the longer part, you can see how I just do it. I just turn it like in out. If you have the one that used to have odi lama penile Yoruba, if you have odi, it might not really come out like this, but this material does not have odi, so I was able to achieve that. So the third style here we have, so you take it to the center and you knot it. You don't lose the twist, you knot it, and this one just roll it out again and use it to make like the one we made for the second style. You make it for this side and you make for the other side. You pin the both together at the middle, and we're good to go. These are the 3 styles I brought to you using my husband Ankara material. He dear me and I say I'm going to achieve something with it. Guys, I made 3 styles out of his shokoto. See you in my next video, guys. Do like and take care.